In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an email to the Safe Sender list in Outlook. If messages you want keep landing in junk or spam, adding the sender to your safe list tells Outlook to trust them in the future. Start by opening Outlook and clicking the gear icon in the upper right corner to open Settings. Navigate to Mail, then open the Junk Email area. This page shows filters for what gets flagged as spam and what is allowed. Within Junk Email, go to the Senders section and select the Safe Senders and Domains tab. Anything added here tells Outlook not to treat messages from these sources as junk. Click to add a safe sender. A text box will appear where you can type a full email address for one sender or a domain to cover all addresses from an organization. Adding a domain is useful for newsletters, receipts, notifications, or colleagues whose messages are misclassified. Only add sources you trust and double-check spelling. After typing the address or domain, click OK to confirm. You can edit or remove entries later if needed. Before leaving, click Save to apply changes. Without saving, additions won't take effect, and messages may still go to junk. Once saved, Outlook will allow messages from your chosen sender or domain, helping important mail land in your inbox. If misdirected messages still appear, revisit the page to verify entries or add additional trusted sources. This simple process helps keep your inbox organized, ensures messages from trusted senders aren't lost, and reduces stress from missed emails. Following these steps makes Outlook more reliable in filtering, letting you focus on what matters while unwanted messages continue to be filtered automatically. That's it, you've successfully updated your Safe Sender list.